Hello Praveen.
Hi.
Going to show some tabletop options and not limited to coffee table but also dining table, center table, side table, pack table. What is this?
This is raisin inlay.
All right.
Very beautiful design in brown and black.
Okay.
Again, you will see many raisin geometrical designs, and they're very artistic pieces.
Okay, raisin, all raisin.
All raisins.
They can be customized according to
Can
the
be
size
size and shapes and
sometimes
designs.
colors also,
Yeah,
right?
Colors also.
Okay, this again is raisin with horn.
With horn, of course.
Okay, this one is?
Raisin with horn.
Okay.
This is only horn. This is not polished one. These pieces are polished ones.
All right.
This is yet to be polished.
So you'll add a little more shine in it.
Yes, absolutely.
In case you are fond of the raw and muted one, then
You can take it as it is. Absolutely.
And this is my favorite. This is called
Mother of Pearl.
Okay. This is a little sheen in it. Seashells are used in this to make this.
Absolutely, Ji.
Right? Okay. Thousands of pieces are incorporated.
Yeah.
And this one again is raisin.
Raisin. In yellow color.
Okay.
Can be given in any other color also, like light pink or light blue.
All right.
And again, this is a center table top with geometrical design of raisin and horn. Yet to be polished. It's a raw piece.
All right. Done. For more details, you can always get in touch with Azazo. The name of the company is Azazo, and Praveen ji is there to help you because
Absolutely.
we are not just manufacturers, we are the designers.
We are designers and manufacturers.
Thank you very much.
Okay.